Welcome to Pulse 24. The era of unchecked AI expansion just hit a wall of federal mandates, frozen capital, and flat adoption numbers.
Great to be here, Nate. The free pass for vendors is officially over.
Washington has rewritten the rules on who actually controls the model.
They have indeed. As of last week, the Trump administration mandates that vendors grant the government irrevocable control rights for federal contracts.
And this triggered an immediate fallout for Anthropic.
A significant one. The GSA terminated their OneGov deal on 7th of March, removing their services from federal branches entirely.
Is this a negotiation tactic or a genuine philosophical split?
It is a fundamental conflict. Anthropic refused to allow uses like mass surveillance, and the government refused to be restricted.
They are fighting back legally, though?
Yes, they sued the DoD on the 6th March over a supply chain risk designation, calling it legally unsound.
What is the move for a private sector CIO watching this fight?
Audit your dependency chain. If your provider gets blacklisted by the US government, your own B2G contracts are suddenly at risk.
Turning to infrastructure, the build it and they will come thesis just cracked in Texas.
It did. Oracle and OpenAI cancelled a massive 0.8 gigawatt expansion in Abilene on 7th of March.
That is a lot of power to walk away from. Was it lack of cash or lack of demand?
It looks like a capital discipline issue. Oracle's stock is down 54% from its peak, and financing for these mega projects has stalled.
Meanwhile, the hyperscalers are taking matters into their own hands?
Exactly. Google and Microsoft pledged on 5th of March to self-supply power, effectively bypassing third-party grid dependencies.
So the mid-market relies on the grid while the giants build their own plants?
Precisely. If you are not building your own reactor, lock in your compute capacity contracts now before the open market tightens.
Let us look at the user side. Adoption figures are out and they look surprisingly flat.
They are stagnant. Workplace integration held steady at 38% in Q4 2025, according to Gallup data released this week.
Is the technology plateauing, or are companies just afraid to deploy?
It is a new risk category called verification debt. We are generating code faster than humans can validate it.
So the speed of generation is actually slowing down deployment?
Correct. A report on 8 March highlighted that without automated validation, that fast code becomes a long-term liability.
How do we fix that before the board pulls the plug on pilots?
Stop measuring output speed, start measuring validation coverage, and bake automated testing into every single CI pipeline.
Lightning round, 2 quick updates. Google reset the price floor again?
Gemini 3.1 flashlight launched on 3rd of March at 25 cents per million tokens. Intelligence is now effectively free.
And a final word from the Supreme Court on who owns the pixels.
They ruled on 3 March that AI art cannot be copyrighted. Do not build your brand identity on assets you cannot legally protect.
Thanks, Anya. That wraps up the briefing. Stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.